And lastly, the Supreme Court has today disposed of multiple petitions that were originally filed during COVID-19 pandemic seeking open access to courtroom proceedings through virtual court links. A bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta ruled that this issue falls under the administrative domain and not the judicial side. The court has given liberty to the petitioners here to approach the concerned high courts and their respective e-committees to address their grievances. The petitioner had argued that lawyers and litigants whose matters are not listed for the day are unable to access virtual links to courtrooms even though these links are provided in daily cause lists. He claimed that this violates the right to access open court proceedings, especially since in-person courts are generally open to the public. He gave the example of the Supreme Court, where static virtual links are available for all functioning benches. Anyone can watch even if they are not arguing in a case. Their mic and video remains muted, but access is not restricted. However, in many high courts, he said, clicking on such links leads to restricted access, effectively shutting out unlisted lawyers and litigants. The Petitioners' Counsel also raised some other issues, like in some high courts, judges' microphones are muted on virtual links, making their comments inaudible. The petitioner claimed that this violates the 2018 Swapnil Tripathi ruling, where the Supreme Court had allowed live streaming of proceedings in the interest of transparency. Additional Solicitor General Vikramjit Banerjee, appearing for the respondents, noted that the petitions are rooted in the pandemic context and times have changed since then. Well, Justice Nath clarified that such operational issues should be handled administratively and not by court orders. Accordingly, the court disposed of the case, stating that the matter must be taken up on the administrative side and that petitioners were free to assist relevant e-committees such as those under the Supreme Court, High Courts, NCMP or SCMS by submitting supporting materials.